Hats of Faith, written by Medea Cohen, illustrated by Sarah Walsh. Many religious people share the custom of covering their heads to show their love for God. This is a turban, which many Sikh men wear. This is a hijab, which many Muslim women wear. This is a Rasta hat, which many Rastafarian men wear. This is a patka, which many Sikh boys wear. This is a tikal, which many married Orthodox Jewish women wear. This is a chuni, which many Sikh women wear. And this is a tupai, which many South Asian Muslim men wear. This is a kippah, which many Jewish boys and men wear. And this is a head wrap, which many African Christian and Muslim women wear. Learning about each other makes it easy to be more understanding. Being understanding helps us spread love and peace.